Hello guys, today I have the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra and I'm going to show you how to fix the auto brightness not working in this device. So, at first you need to open the settings. Scroll down to the display over here and enable the adaptive brightness option. As I can see, I have the screen dimmer application installed, so let me quickly disable this option and uninstall the screen dimmer application. As you can see, I have now brightness turned on. So enable and disable, enable and disable, like this. This should help you with fixing your phone. If it doesn't work fine, take yourself a cloth and clean the area over here near your camera. Everything should be working fine afterwards. If it doesn't work fine, you need to restart your phone to refresh the sensors. Hold power and volume down button, tap restart and restart. Now everything should be working fine. If it doesn't work now, you need to just contact the device support to have your device fixed. And that's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.